Hello and welcome to this drawing tutorial. Today we will draw a snowflake. So you need a ruler and a lead pencil preferably, and just a little straight line down, and then rotate the paper to draw another straight line down, and then do a diagonal line, maybe smaller, and then add these little points up the top, and it may seem a bit bad, but you can show it off to all your friends. Now we will show you in more detail. Maybe you could draw the insides of a square, so make sure the lines are even. That would make it look much better, but here I didn't really do that. But remember, your snowflake can look however you want it to look. So yeah, enjoy drawing.
We can't do anything when there's nothing to do. Can't find the energy to put on my shoe. I won't resign, just stay on the couch. A novel idea, nothing to worry about. Air for free. If I sink to the darkest depths, will you be there for me to hold my hand while I hold my breath? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I've got all this energy, been saving for you. We can do anything, so what should we do? Hang a map on the wall, circle it all. It's our oyster, it's our oyster. Air for free, and if I sink to the darkest depths,